Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to upload a giant square picture on Instagram. If you want to make your Instagram grid layout look more attractive, then it is advised to create and share a huge image on Instagram. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and find the Giant Square for Instagram app. Click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Tap the image icon at the top. Now choose how many squares you want to use. Press on the gallery icon on the left. Select the image gallery and upload the picture from your camera roll. After that, tap the export button in the top right corner. Now you can save all the pictures pieces to your camera roll or choose the Instagram option and upload images one by one on Instagram. Let's save to the camera roll. Now go back to Instagram. And upload all the photos pieces as you would normally do while creating a post. Once you do it, you will have a giant image. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to upload a giant square picture on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueSocial.com.